Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 and again divided by 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have 3 divisions, and as we know, when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to go from left to right. So first this division, then this division, and finally this division. 4 divided by 4 is just 1. So 1 divided by 4 and again divided by 4. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 4. We can write 1 over 4. Then divided by 4. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Our second fraction is 4 over 1. So we can write 1 over 4, then times 1 over 4. Okay? And this is equal to 1 times 1 gives us 1. 1 over 4 times 4, which equals 16. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 16.